We have a problem here. That strip is supposed to be like this, but it popped out because this beam isn't straight. So it popped out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hammerize it. See if I can get it back into position. You need the damn screws. Looks like it's going to come out again though. See it? What, Gary? Leave the hammer out here, Gary. You might need it. Alright. So, we're going to have to screw that one, so later. Hi, buddy. I'm going to need something on my face. Did I bring that one in?